Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today I'm going to explain and show you how to connect your mini UPS to your router and modem. This is the setup. So usually this is the setup in all the houses, because the internet service provider will going to give you a modem with a fiber optics input, because nowadays all the router all the service provider, internet service provider, uses the fiber optics for better bandwidth and better internet service. So they are going to give you the fiber optics, and this is the converter. If this is the EPON device which will convert fiber optics to RJ45. This is the LAN cable. This modem will going to give you the input for the the router. This is the router for TP-Link router. So this RJ45 or LAN cable will going to give an input for this device, and this router will going to make a Wi-Fi network or the RJ45 LAN network, so that the internet can be distributed to other devices. So this is the usual setup. Few of the internet service provider, what they have done, they combine both the device and make one router which having the EPON port, which will convert fiber optic to RJ45, and give you the router and EPON combination device, and give you that small one router, not the two device. But my internet service provider will give me the modem, and this is my router. This is the two band router, 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz band router. So you can see, like, this is my 5 volt modem, and this is my 9 volt router. So you can see, to power on both the device I needed two adapters. This is the 5 volt and this is the 9 volt. So if power goes, this will going to switch off or something like that. So I'm going to explain you how to set up the mini UPS. What I have done the unboxing. I'm going to plug out this two power adapter, because this two power adapter is not required if you are going to use that mini UPS. So okay, so this is the UPS, and this is the 12 and 1 ampere 12 volt 1 ampere adapter, which will go input of this UPS device, you can see. And this device having this switch. Before starting uninterrupt power supply, or you want to use this UPS for uninterrupt router power, you need to power on this, so that the battery will going to utilize from this device. This is the power on. So currently it is having the charging mode, okay, charging state. If it is red, it is charging. It will become blue, it will be like charging full. So now I am going to give the power from this UPS to two of my device, modem and router. So this modem having 5 volt input required, I plugged in. So using that USB port, I'll get the 5 volt input. So consider I plugged in the USB. So now you can see the power is closed. And second device is this device. This device, what is happening? This is my 12 or 15 volt output. This circuit is step down circuit I purchased separately, which will make convert this 12 volt or 15 volt input, make it 9 volt for my router. So I just plugged in this also. Now I'm going to plug into my router. So you can see the router also blinking fine. Okay. So now both the device connected through the UPS. So if the power goes, this UPS will give you the power to both of the device through the battery. What it have inside, it is 18650 battery, lithium ion battery, which will give the power to both of the device. Consider this is your normal setup in your house, and in between the power goes. I'll simulate how to power goes, how to show you the power goes inside your house. I just plug out this adapter. So consider this is the power cutoff happened in your area. See, still using this device UPS, both the device, you can see this is and this, both the device having power. And in this scenario you will not get any uninterrupt in internet, because both the device is working fine and the internet is coming to your house. So considering working from home or any project related work or any internet related work, it doesn't interrupt for this router or service provider. So this is the scenario for power off. Now again the power is back. So again, if the power is back, again the UPS is going to charge it, and again the setup is uninterrupted power. So this is how I'm explained to you, like how the UPS works in your house with the router and modem. So hope you like the video, and any doubt or any further question you can comment in my video. So that's it guys. Hope you like the video. Please share, comment and subscribe my channel for the further videos. Thank you very much.